Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell makes his long-awaited keynote speech at the annual symposium in Jackson Hole. The U.S. will present data for personal income and spending as well as the price data for July that the Fed really cares about. Europe's energy price continued to go ballistic, and Elon Musk gets a partial victory in his fight with Twitter. Here's what you need to know in financial markets on Friday, 26 August. Top of the agenda is how Powell will steer expectations for the Fed's September policy meeting, a task made harder by the Fed's decision in the summer to raise rates by 75 basis points rates rather than the 50 it guided for. The market is currently split between expecting a hike of half a point or 75 basis points, meaning that an abrupt market correction is likely wherever Powell flags. Powell is due to speak at 10 at personal spending Michigan consumers sentiment due. The U.S. will also release some data of key concurrent to the Fed in the course of the morning. At 8:80, there will be figures on personal income and spending for July, along with the price indices for personal consumer expenditures. PCE prices are the Fed's favorite measure of inflation because they more accurately reflect U.S. consumers' spending patterns, especially those of lower income consumers for whom the effect of inflation tends to be worse. At 10:80, the University of Michigan publishes its final estimate of U.S. consumer sentiment in August, where the 1 and 5-year inflation expectations components will get their usual high degree of security. Stocks marking time but late Thursday's earnings support Happy's earnings do. U.S. stock markets are marking time before the day's big event, trimming Thursday's gains. Trimming Thursday's gains, sentiment in being underpinned by better than expected result and guidance after the bell on Thursday from Workday, Ulta Beauty and 4-ounce Gap. Happy and Jinko Solar hit a thin lineup for earnings on Friday. Elsewhere, Twitter stock is coming under a little pressure again after a judge ordered the company to hand over some of its internal discussions on spam accounts to Elon Musk, while adding his absurdly broad request for almost all of its other data. Arab, Arab's energy crisis just gets worse. UK households are set to pay 3 times as much for energy in the coming winter as they did over the last one. The UK's energy regulator of GAM raised the annual cap on typical dual fuel bills to £3 a year from October 1st, reflecting the steep rise in wholesale energy price over the summer. There'll be worse to come in January with the next review. Citigroup estimated earlier this week that the rise in fuel bills if unabated by government action, will drive inflation to as high as 18%. The pound weakened again, testing the 47-year low that is hit in 2020. Nor is there any sign of relief on the European continent yet. German-based hot power price for 2023 hit a new record of over 8% euros a megawatt hour, something that will take the cost of a single washing machine cycle to around 15 euros. According to some estimates in related news, German consumer confidence plunged to a record low. Oil rises as OPEC lines up behind Saudi output cut warnings. Crude oil price rose again as a raft of OPEC members rallied behind Saudi Arabia's message that the cartel might want to cut oil production. Energy Minister Prince Abdulaziz had warned in interviews that the weakness of futures price in recent weeks failed to reflect the ongoing tightness of the physical market. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you!